Watch thousands of streak-throated swallows dance in perfect synchrony across the sky, a breathtaking aerial ballet before nesting season. These small, agile birds with streaked throats and glossy blue backs build massive mud colonies on walls, bridges, and cliffs, fusing hundreds of pot-shaped nests into one giant apartment complex. Nesting happens almost year-round but peaks when they return in flocks to their traditional sites. Pairs collect wet mud, grass, and feathers, entering through tiny tubes while chattering noisily to defend their spot. Inside each nest, 3 to 4 white eggs hatch into hungry chicks fed on flying insects. The synchronized flights serve multiple purposes: scanning for predators, practicing aerial hunting skills, and strengthening colony bonds. This incredible group behavior transforms ordinary walls into living skyscrapers, proving nature's architects work best in teams.